Hey everybody, did you know you can go to colinmullen.com in order to get art and art prints? That's why I set up the website, colinmullen.com. So hey everybody, this week I'm trying out something new, a lot of new things, and a lot of things broke as a result. I got a new camera set up. It's the same camera, I just spent like 12, 20 bucks on cables, something like that. And now I have a better lighting setup. I have a way to stream directly from the camera, so that way I can stream what I'm recording. Kind of screwed it up a couple times and forgot to hit record, so we're gonna have to use the streams VOD instead, sped up for this week's thing. The painting is actually on a piece of flooring tile. You can get wooden floor slat samples from Lowe's. I was there to get something else. The bed rolls too much, and so we needed some quick, easy fix to just keep the bed from moving. It's got rollers, and ended up seeing this after going to the art store to get other stuff, and I was like, well, hold up, that's basically like artboard, right? I wouldn't recommend doing this with like paneling you can buy, because the paneling itself is like $2 per square foot or something like that. Works out to about $50 per canvas, or whatever you want to call it, at my normal size at 16 by 20. So not a great conversion rate when a pack of canvases is like, I don't know, like 20 for 4 or 5. So yeah, definitely not the best way of getting a substrate to put stuff on, but I do think that it's neat that these can lock together. There's a little side thing that this can clip into, so if I wanted to, I could keep getting free samples from Lowe's as a way to add more and more of this. The painting itself, I think it turned out good. It's a cute bird. Just a very simple painting for today, just that way I could test out the camera, the light, and this concept of being able to use a floor tile for that. I tried painting directly onto it, and it just slid off. I figured it would because it's not primed, but I wanted to keep that texture. It was this nice acacia wood, but it just doesn't work. I think that it might be possible if I sand it down or something, then maybe the rougher texture will allow it to adhere better. If anyone has recommendations on how to get the paint to adhere while keeping the texture, because I really like that wood and I was really excited to use that wood in my art, but I don't think it'll stick to I don't think that the paint will seal to the canvas or the wood here. Unless if it's primed. Standard problem, but disappointing answer, because I don't think that there's a good way of doing this. You could maybe plan out exactly where the thing was gonna be, then prime just that spot. But man, that's something else, and I don't know if I can do it. But anyway, hopefully with this setup, I'll be able to stream art more often on twitch.tv/RevScarecrow. I think streaming on Twitch and then uploading the VOD here makes some level of sense, or, being able to do that. I think I could probably get a camera pointed at the palette as well. That was something that was recommended. Right now, I've got it as a face cam, which is fine. You can see what I'm doing when the paint is going onto the canvas, and there was a recommendation to have this separate angle, like a little bit up. I think I'm gonna have to mess around with my camera position in the regular paintings, but hey, let me know what you thought of this setup as just like a way to look at the art, as well as the idea of having like a palette camera or something similar to that. I don't know exactly what you guys want or need from these, and so I'm trying to accommodate to that the best I can. But anyway, let me know what you thought of this, and anyway, let me go ahead and thank those people at the $5 tier or more, starting with my mom and dad. I love you guys. Thank you, Wapfu. Thank you, Tofoundor. Thank you, Tiffany. Thank you, Skelecorgi. Thank you, Sanja R. Thank you, Reverend Joe. Thank you, Retrograde. Thank you, Mortis. Thank you, Micah. Thank you, Maliciousness. Thank you, Lost Nevada. Thank you, Kayla Hollinger. Thank you, Gala. Thank you, Gabriel Bennett. Thank you, Egg. Thank you, Dragon. Thank you, Chiptune Glitch. Thank you, Bungle Paws. Thank you, Bubba Fair. Thank you, Bep. Thank you, BD648. Thank you, Amber. Thank you, Acrobus. And thank you, Ats! bit of a different thing today, but hey, every time I do art is a little bit different, and that's the joy of doing art. Trying out stuff and not saying no to your attempts at trying to do something creative. Just let yourself have the fun, you know? And if it doesn't work, maybe you learned something. I don't know. Give it a go. I'll see you guys in the next one.